Hey everybody, it's the Basic DIY Guy, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to switch out the window and lock switches in your Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a 2016 model. For those who own a Dodge Grand Caravan or have driven one for a period of time, they have one defect in which the window switches kind of give out. This is the third Grand Caravan that I've driven in. This one we personally own, but at a work vehicle has the same issue. And what that issue is it's very difficult to get the window up. You can go down no problem, but for it to roll back up, it kind of just gives out. So just here is the passenger one. That works fine. It goes up and down, not a problem. For the driver's side, it can go down, but it's really difficult to try to get it up. You got to keep finagling with it. So it's not, something that is very pleasant. Especially if it's raining and you're trying to put the window up real quick, it does not work. So this, out of all the vehicles that I've worked with, this is probably one of the easiest ones to actually switch out a panel for your windows and for your locks. Unlike other vehicles, we have to check out the side panel, the inner side panel, and a bunch of screws and everything. This is very simple. No tools required. Well, yeah, no tools required. All you need is pretty much a knife or any plastic blade to lift up or the window switch. So I'll show you this. Let me just bring it in close. I did kind of just made it a bit loose just because I am recording with one hand. So don't use a knife that's serrated like this. A flat blade is way better. You simply just plug it in here, put it in there, and just keep going up and getting it loose. Of course, make sure you don't scratch the leather the side panel here. So once that's removed, again, I'm going to do this all in one shot. And by the way, here's the replacements. So I'm just going to make sure to turn the car off. It's simple. You take it out. There are two plugs in the back. So let's take that off right now. Okay, I took it out. I tried to be a hero and do it with one hand. That does not work. So you gotta get two hands just to make sure you unclip the back side of it. And it's all plug and play. So the larger plug goes in the bottom down here and the smaller one on top. So again, I'll just try to do it with one hand. And I apologize for the background sounds here and also the lack of production. So I'll just place it down here. Just gotta trust me on this one. It all clips in. You just plug it in and it'll clip. There you go. It clips. So let's test it out. So I'm going to put this in on mode to confirm. Lifting up. Passenger side, that was already working. But then with the driver's side, I could bring it down. And the auto works also, and I could bring it up. And there you go. Sorry about that. That's the dash cam. So yeah, that's probably one of the easiest things. Again, switches that I've ever switched out compared to the other vehicles where you got to take out the side panels and a bunch of screws. This is the old one. Again, it happens a lot from the vehicles that I've driven where this just gives out and you can't really, fix it. Pretty much just get a new one. I think I honestly, $60 I believe I purchased it for, and to put it back in, just press on it and there you go. It's nice and flush. And to confirm again, up, down, and the auto also works. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Take care.